I've got a very long-standing relationship with Bell that was spawned over 5 decades ago. We keep people going, we keep people up in the air every second. There's a Pratt & Whitney engine that's taking off or landing somewhere in the world. My name is Michael Rossi. I am the Senior Director of Engine Development Programs for turboshaft engines at Pratt & Whitney Canada. Our logo says it all, dependable engines, and we offer a variety of products across numerous product lines. It basically started almost with the advent of the PT6. Since then, we've developed into a turboshaft leader in the industry, offering products from 500 to 1800 shaft horsepower across numerous product lines, Bell being one of them. We're proud to be on a couple of Bell products, including the Bell 412 with our PT6 twin-pack engines and the 429 with our PW207 D1 series engines. This year specifically, it's a very important year for Pratt & Whitney Canada. We're celebrating 2 major milestones, one of them being our 1 billionth fleet flight hour and our 60th anniversary now of the PT6 engines. Bell has been an important part in both of those milestones, and we're really pleased that you guys have been on this journey with us over the past 60 years.